Hey, Planner Vibes, and this is a flip through of my 2021 bullet journal setup and my January monthly. Here is my 2021 bullet journal. It is a A5 Scribble That Matters dotted journal. The first spread is a doodle spread in which I have loading 2021 in the middle with a loading bar and doodles all around that. And the second page is my quote page, and that's what I'm gonna be focusing on for this year. Next, we have my future log, and this is going to be a double page spread just so that when I open it up, I can see the entire year at a glance. I have the month, below that the calendar, and a lot of empty space just so I can put in all of those events, birthdays, anything that I have to schedule during the year. Next, we have my vision board, and honestly, I can't wait to fill out this spread. I also did a vision board in my 2020 bullet journal, and I'm gonna be posting a react video to that pretty soon. That's gonna be a very fun video, so subscribe so that you get notified when that video comes out. The next spread is my 2021 and pixels, and this will usually be a mood tracker, but I decided to turn this into a workout tracker. The next spread is my ideal morning, and here is where I'm gonna put in that morning routine I want to set for myself. Next, we have 10 things to do in 2020, and on the right I'm also gonna put in all the steps and a check mark when it's completed. Now we have 2021 in quotes, so I have all the different months of the year, and at the end of each month I'm gonna go in and put in either a word or a phrase describing that month. Now we have one of my favorite spreads, which is the books read. On the top I have this floating bookshelf, and below that I have this headphone drawing that I'm gonna be using for my audiobooks. Here is all my favorites of 2020. So this can be movies, series, anime, anything that I've seen that I loved. This is a memory log for that. My next spread is called Challenge Accepted. And basically every month I take on different challenges, whether it's a 3-day smoothie challenge or a 2-week workout challenge. So this is where I'm gonna put in all the challenges that I tried during the month, how many days, and if I completed them. I just thought it would be interesting to look back on this one page and see all the different challenges that I tried. Next, we have my meal plan spread, and the way this works is I have post-it notes the exact size of the boxes. So for every day I'm gonna have a different post-it note, write the meal of that day, and then I can easily throw that away and change up for different days so that I can use this spread for the entire year. Next, we have my YouTube video ideas and video topics. And video topics will mostly be for my weekly plan with me's, where I discuss a lot of different topics. You can go ahead and leave your suggestions down below. Now I have my millionaire journey spread, and this is what I mean by making your bullet journal personal. You really have to get crazy personal with your bullet journal. So whatever goal that you have, go ahead and include those steps in your bullet journal. Another one of my favorite spreads will be my quarterly goal spread. On the top I have my 3 main subjects, 3 main goal categories for each quarter, meaning every 3 months I'm gonna set different goals for each of those subjects. For example, if number 1 is weight loss, then a goal I can put in for that is maybe exercise every day for 30 minutes. So I really like this spread because I use this during the entire year. Now we have my budget log. At the end of every month, I check my balance and I see where I spent my money, and then I go back and I put it in here. I actually have a video setting this up and explaining exactly how this works, and I also have printables for you over on that video, so go ahead and check it out if you want more information. This is my health tracker, which is actually a weight loss tracker, and I love the fact that I have different sections and different ways of tracking my health. On the top, I have my start, end, and goal. Then I have a roadmap for how much weight that I'm losing, my measurements, and then to the right, I have a graph where I can visually see how my weight is fluctuating. Of course, I have my growth tracker, whether it's YouTube or Instagram. I go ahead and track my subscribers and followers on a month-to-month basis. And I would really like to reach 1,000 subscribers in 2021. So if you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Next to that, I have my passwords where I have 16 boxes to fill in. Now we're getting into my January setup. The theme for January is tea. I usually do a double spread like this. On the right, I have the calendar, and below that, a box where I can put in all the different events. And then on the right, I have my monthly goals, my currentlies for that month, and my memory log. Next, I have my habit tracker, and I really like this layout and I cannot wait to use this. Next to that, I have my weekly tracker. So I'll be tracking all 4 weeks of the month and putting in all the main goals or tasks I have to get done for each week. The last spread will be my daily log. So I have every day of the week, Monday through Friday, and then for Saturday and Sunday, I simply have the weekend, so that's 1 box. And there are a total of 6 boxes. I will be posting a plan with me of all of these spreads that will be a part of my 2021 Ultimate Bullet Journal series. Right now, I already have a couple episodes out, so you can go ahead and click here on the playlist to watch those. Alright, laters!